little things that you do to me daily, and just do it for me. You spin me right round, baby, right round like a washing machine. Washing machine. Did I see you before? Have I met you somewhere? Does your name give me hate? Have I seen you in my dream? Or was it that world? Is your name A? Special? Yo, from my next dimension. Yes, you know I've been searching. Love can tear us apart again. Love can tear us apart again. Did I see you somewhere before? Excuse me, I'm a little bit lost. Could you help me to find the best way to get to know you? Only 65% of you. I don't want all of it, you can keep it. I'm good with what I've got. You see me? I want some different shit. I'm not constant into anything. I'm not down with it. I want some different shit. You can work with it. I'm making this shit legit. You know, if you know what it is, SMG shit. Wise hard bit, yo. I want some Congo, bloody shit. I'm on some 6D shit. You're on some 2D shit. Like some Sakawa voodoo shit. Yo, you spin me right round, baby, right. Yo, if you better run. If you don't mean what you say, you better run away now. If you don't mean what you say now, I'm the realist from the cold district, yo. L.ouie bitch, what it isn't, what it isn't, yo. You know I've been searching for someone. Is it your face I see? No. Ever since I saw your face, nothing will be the same. I walk around the same name. You spin me right round, baby, right. You spin me right round, baby, right round. L.ouie Zee M16, my encouragement, my computer love. Some 1984 type shit from another dimension. You don't want none of it. I'm a realist from the postcode district, M16. M16 Productions.